Alright guys, we're back for our last and final lesson. If you guys looked, I actually made a little oopsie. I forgot to add that go to the robot X and robot Y, so my robot was a little wonky, but I fixed it. If you looked, I actually added our little alien guy, our obstacle in. And one of the things I can show you is now that I've made the code for my rock, I can actually come here and I can duplicate this guy. So hit duplicate, now I've got 3 rocks, right? Cool. So now I've got my 3 rocks, I'm going to put them where I want to put them so I can collect them and win if I'd like. And then I've got Nano, my little alien. He has no code for right now. So let's go ahead and get this guy some code. So all he's going to do is actually kind of slide. He's going to be my obstacle, right? So when that flag is clicked, let's go to events. So when my flag is clicked, all right, I need this guy for moving, and he's going to be in a loop, because if not, he'll just do it and then never do it again. Forever loop, he's going to glide. So he is literally going to glide. Let me put him right here. If you look, it moves when I move him. He is going to, for once, use the one that has seconds, right? You could do a random position if you want. I'm not going to make it that hard. That's so mean. And I want him to glide to this point. Okay, so look, it changes it. So then he's going to take 1 second and then glide to this point. So it looks like this. And every time I run into him, I actually lose a life. If I change the time he runs, so I can make it 2, he goes slower one way, and then he'll go faster the other. You can go crazy fast, and you can do 0.5 and make him really fast one way, slower the other, or, you know, let them both add up. So pretty cool. That is his code just for him. And that's all he actually needs. So we already actually, so let's go ahead and put the code for what happens if we run into that guy. So if our robot runs into him, let's go ahead, and the first thing we're going to do, when I start it, let's go ahead and I don't want to do all flags. So let's say when the message is broadcast. So when the robot starts moving, all right, this guy becomes deadly. So when I receive move robot, we're going back for our forever loop. So we're going to go forever, and it's going to be another if then statement, no else. So if then, leave a little block, the if then with the block open, because we need a sensing. So, oops, sorry, sensing. When we touch Nano. So when we touch Nano, so let me see, touching Nano is, that is the alien's name. So if I touch Nano, then I'm going to change my life by -1. So change lives. Because now it's gonna change, not positive, it has to be negative, or it's just gonna add lives. Because I know that for a fact because I accidentally did it. So you're going to hit the same thing, go to the, so you're gonna change it by 1, and then whenever he receives all of his lives, and you already know he goes down to the 0, we're gonna go to, hold on, go to, so he'll go back to his starting. This is how we know he's gonna reset, right? He has to reset. So we're gonna go to variables, and it's gonna be robot X, robot Y. All right, and then he has to wait for a second. So you don't really have to wait, but wait 1 second. All right, so we already know when we touch this guy, our lives are going to go down by 1, and we already know right here, if our lives equal 0, oh no, we lost, and the game resets, correct? So what's going to happen last? Let's make him have a victory dance. What is that? What kind of shenanigans? This can't be any fun without a victory dance, right? So if we're going to go ahead and code his victory dance, we need to, when we receive victory dance, we put it right here. When we receive victory dance. Okay, I want to say, hey, great job. You did it. You're awesome. So, but we're not going to do it. We're going to do it for 2 seconds. Say, you won. Whatever you want to say. All right. And then I'm gonna only do repeat 3 times because this could get out of hand. If you did forever, it will never stop. So let's repeat. Oh, where'd you go? Repeat 3 times. And we are going to play our beep beep sounds, even though I don't want to hear these all throughout class, but most of those are virtual. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to play his beep beep sounds. And we're actually going to go to how he looks because I want to switch his costume. So we're going to switch costume to Retro Robot C. And then we're going to wait for a second. I'm actually going to pull all the switch costumes out. So we're going to switch robot. All right. So he already has on costume A. So he'll go back to it when he's done. So let's go ahead and we need to wait 1 second. So come on back. Where are you? Wait. There you go. Wait 1 second. Oops, sorry. Control. We're going to make him wait. And then we're going to change his costume again. And we'll change it to costume B this time. So costume A, costume C. You can even do another one and do costume A if you guys want. So let's go ahead. Let's see. We can run through our program and see if we have any issues. So let's go ahead. I'm going to hit the stop. I'm going to hit this. We're going to restart. So I'm going to move. Whoop. He got me once, right? All right. Now if I go up here and I win, all right, nothing happened. Uh-oh. Am I missing one of my things? Let's see what happens if I lose my lives. Oh no, I lost. All right, so I need to re-debug because where is my, I should have a victory. I should have won, remember? Let's see, Mobot moves. I have all you lost. Did I not do his you won yet? So let's see. Victory, I should have collected, oh, did I do too many rocks? Uh-oh, greater than 2. Let's try that. Because I collect, oh wait, did my rocks not go up? Hold on, y'all. Let's see, gotta debug. So I'm gonna go, and I got a rock, got 2 rocks. I won. Hitting it, yeah. There's my victory dance, y'all. It turned into 2 different robots. And then, I'll wait for it. I need to put a reset game at the end because I don't want them to have to click. So I'm going to broadcast reset game to, we already know what's going to happen, right? But so I don't even have to click the thing again. So stop. Uh-oh, I messed him up. You know what? Let's go ahead, hit wait a second. Let's switch his costume back. It's pretty neat though, because he could have a different costume every time, which would be pretty cool too. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me save. Always save your work. Stop. Let's hit it. All right, I've already messed him up in general. He'll go back to normal. Let me let this guy get him. Boop, boop, boop. Oh no, I lost. Oh wait, I think I have to win. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Then I should end on A and have my costume back. There I am. All right. And that's it. So listen, what are we looking for? You have to collect at least 3 things. There could be more than 3 things. You guys have an obstacle right here with this little alien guy, and you can slow him down. You can make more levels if you guys wanted to, and that guy speeds up every level. You can make less lives. It's all up to you guys. I hope that this was helpful. Bye, guys.